Welcome again to Healthy Lifestyle Tips. Alright, now on to the second way, steaming. This one is honestly super easy and gives you super soft, plump eggs every time. Take 2 little bowls and fill them about 1/3 with fresh water. Enough so the eggs will float. Now crack an egg into each of the bowls. Positioning water inside the bowl allows egg yolks and whites to spread evenly and prevents them from sticking to the surface during steaming. The simple trick keeps eggs smooth and well-shaped. Get your steamer ready, fill the bottom with water, cover it, and bring it to a boil. When boiling, set the bowls inside carefully. Cover the lid and place the heat on medium. You get even steady cooking that way, steam between 6 and 8 minutes, depending on just how runny you prefer your yolk. For a creamy center, use 6 minutes. If a firmer yolk is desired, 7 to 8 minutes is best. Once the time is up, remove the heat but do not yet open the lid. Let the eggs rest in the residual steam for 30 seconds or so. This cools it down gently and prevents sudden cooling that can cause cracking or shrinkage. Gently remove the bowls. They'll be hot, so use tongs or a towel. Pat off any remaining water and slide the eggs onto a plate. You'll notice each egg retains its beautiful round shape, smooth whites encasing the yolk perfectly, whether you prefer them silky soft or ever so slightly chewy. The steaming process yields consistent, professional-looking results, even if you are just an amateur.